Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. As you can see, I'm in the middle of my big job. It has actually started and we're getting to grips with it. But I've got a little bit of follow-up for you on the Abranet story, and that's coming up next. So I did my Abranet video the other day, quick, where I tested the same old two sanders that I've got, but using Abranet instead of the Bosch and the Festool abrasive. When I did these, I deliberately bought a pad saver and an interface pad, and these are both actually identical. They're both sort of 8 or 9 mil squishy foam pads that go on the Festool sander so that the hook and loop is translatable. I wasn't impressed with these. I didn't think that it added anything at all to the handling. I think it detracted actually from the effectiveness of the Festool sander. It didn't seem to adversely affect the dust collection. But a few people have said, oh, you need the pad saver, blah, blah, blah. And in fact, what I should have been searching for, obviously, is the pad saver strip. This is one that I bought over the weekend and arrived today. Thank you very much, Decorating Direct, for that. It is only 2-3 millimeters thick or thereabouts, so you don't get the squishy, foamy nastiness of that interface pad. So it is literally just a simple translator from the Abranet hook and loop to the Festool hook and loop. So that's the thing you need to be purchasing if you do want to use Abranet with your Festool sander. It's a pad saver strip are the critical things that you need to watch out for. Anywho, I just wanted to put that out there. Thank you very much to everybody who wrote to remind me. Oh, a few people also said that Festool also do an interface pad for the granite mesh. Now, I suspect that's just a pad protector. This actually, translates between the Festool hook and loop and the Abranet one, whereas I suspect the Festool interface pad is just a pad saver kind of thing. Anyway, that's the thing that you need to be searching for, a pad saver strip, if you want to use your Festool sander with Abranet. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.